My name is Jada G. Not only am I a musician, but I also have 10 years experience in field biology.
I'm definitely a nerd.
I want to use my music to engage with the real world. Coastlines all around the globe are under siege from rising seas and more intense storms.
As you can see, the ocean destroyed a lot of houses. A lot of the beautiful memories start to disappear.
Coastal communities have a new ally against climate change: blue carbon.
Hi, there.
This is blue carbon.
This is blue carbon.
These habitats turn down the planet's thermostat.
My passion is like what you're looking at right now. I mean, look around.
That's the system that we need to shine light on. We have drained, paved, and polluted over a third of the world's blue carbon habitats. Coastal communities could be exposed to the full force of devastating storms. I like to concentrate on the stories where there is hope, because they are out there.
They are replanting every year 4 or 5 hectares because they understand the importance of this ecosystem.
All of this.
All of these.
That's really inspiring.
Yeah. This area, it become wasteland. Now we have about 32,000 hectare forest.
I want to make a new anthem for nature by recording the sounds of coastal habitats that we don't value enough.
You hear the symphony of what's going on, how each place has its own orchestra. The manatees are chewing on the seagrass. Oh, wow. Hear that crackling and popping sound?
It's music.
It is.
Who would have thought that these unsung ribbons of life could be so critical to our survival?
I am way too happy.
Vamos sempre estar atentos no cuidado na preservação das nossas riquezas e da nossa diversidade.
There is no technology we humans can invent which is as powerful or as versatile as blue carbon. This is science you can dance to.